one on the bus because it mixes it up, otherwise it's the same every week. So no one on the bus, but you can be wherever you like with one life. Attackers, behind the fort, you've got unlimited start point respawns. When you're dead, go back to your start point, you're straight back in. You've got to get to the top deck, give Darren a high five. The fastest team will win. Nice and easy, guys. Okay.
I've got an apology to my team, to the Blues. I've got an apology. I gave the Reds a grenade because they forgot one. Sorry.
Reds, stay here for a second, and then start getting yourself plugged in, guys. Yeah. Wait, there's no lines, yeah. I do think it's over.
Defend me.
I've got one, I think.
Not really.
So guys, if everyone could gather around, please gather in. Guys, everyone down.
Just bring a Polish person.
Guys, everyone put it in place. Guys, blue team. Put it in. Guys, come on.
Ring rope on the fort!
Nah. After lunch, mate.
Oh, lunch. Don't get me thinking about lunch. It's too early for that.
Right, guys. On game on. You can go wherever you like. You must come back and touch these crates to go back in. Simple as that, guys. You need to get live player on top deck of the bus. Give Darren a high five. Simple as that, yeah? You will come under fire with me injury. You realise that?
Yeah. Can I say something? Yeah? Right, guys, their advantage is they will be hidden. If you see them, call them out. Use your hands. Point, point, point. If it helps for further people around, use a clock. 12 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 10 metres, 2 o'clock, that kind of stuff. Help your team, your immediate team. You're going to break out into factions. You're going to have people around you. Communicate. Just help them. You see someone, you tell the others. Watch the BBs as well. They'll tell you where they're coming from.
Game on!
I'm not going to run like a lunatic this time. I'm going to be more cameraman, I think. Use hard cover wherever possible. Stay low. Move fast. My gun's never going to go that far, so we got to get closer. Our guns aren't going to get to the bus, but they will be about up to 60 metres in front of the bus. Be careful. You wouldn't run like cannon fodder in real war, so maybe occasionally you don't do it at Airsoft, but it is fun if you do. And sometimes the clock's running out, so you've got to run. Covering! Covering fire! It's only suppression. I'm distracting them. If you want to go around the flanks, go for it. Go on, I'll do a bit of distraction for a while. Thank you. Thanks for coming with me. Nobody ever comes with me, thank you. Just regroup. Tell me if you see it. Hang on, where was that? Was that air? 10 metres? Oh. Oh, is it behind the Jeep or not? I think it's behind the Jeep. I can't see the smoke, so I think we're alright. The door was open on that Jeep, so I think we're alright. I might be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll try. Yeah. Go, go, go! Hey! Nice one! Said I was going to play properly, fuck yeah. Mind you, I don't want to give me tactics away for the SLMS. I've just told everyone everything, bollocks. SLMF tournament, June 28th. If you've got a team and you know what you're doing, come up against us. I can barely get a team at the moment. They're all struggling a bit, different problems. Oh, it's start of respawn, and I'm walking in. So where we started, always where we started. It's going to get a longer and longer walk. Save your energy. Oh, we've come far too far.
I know it's where it started, but it's a little bit more.
Right, this is going to get longer and longer to get back to, so save your energy a little bit. Try and call out the shots. Get your friends to do the work as well.
Come on, let's do it again.
Can you reach from that distance?
I'm lobbing it.
Yeah.
I may have lay on stinging myself.
Who in the club, man? Where are you getting hit from? I'm watching. Where are you getting hit from? It's that direction, it's got to be that direction. In or out? I'm out. Oh, that was on my mask. Hit! At least I didn't go 20 miles. Oh, they've got some bigger guns. Nice. Always good to have snipers. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if all you boys can shoot, but yeah, if you can sort of take out a few at the front, then the next bit, that'd be great.
There's that flank all the way around.
Oh, I love Airsoft. Look at all these people, how nice they are. And you got to ask, really. Everyone means well. You need help, ask for it, whatever the problem is. Well, that might be a fly. I think I just dodged a fly. Hang on, my legs are exposed there. Do I want to lay down? How far, boys?
Just over this yellow behind this car here.
The bushes behind the car.
Yeah, the car.
Do you want me to get to the car?
I think you're going to get
From which directions? Call them out.
They just chuck grenades every time, so I can't tell.
Oh, and I gave them one of them grenades. I do apologise. They forgot it, but it was a genuine mistake. Normally I run with loads of bangs, but I guess it's more of a documentary today. It's do or die for me.
It might not be now, but it's just company there.
If any BBs fly at you, hit the deck. Just hit the deck if anything comes, but watch for them and call them out. I know I've got my head up like a prick, but I'm watching for BBs. They take a while to get here, so even though I've got this bloody mask on. I really need some better gear. That's not a thingy, by the way. I just built this shit, you know what I mean? Why have we got no one behind the Jeep yet? What are we looking at? Right, that bunker is a tunnel system. There's two oh, you're locals, alright, fuck it. Oh, fuck! Head down, head down, head down, head down. Get a stance, get a fucking sexy stance. Oh, my ankle's gone. No, it hasn't. Still good. What did I say? What did I say? Anything? Move up on me! Hey! Right, I've hit lots of them. Go, go, go! And this is where you need a rest. If you ever need a rest at this, take it. I've also bought a bottle of water, next one for someone else if they need. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. I'm alright. Right, I've killed quite a few. It'll look good. Just do what you do. Airsofters! He's already down. Apologies. Right, a bus. Is a bus in play, do we know? Are they in the top of the bus or not? Come on, airsofters! Suppressing the bus! Go, go, go! Single shot! Hey! No idea if there's anyone up there, but we moved. We got some ground, didn't we?
There's no one in the bus.
I was just checking. It nearly always is, but.
I'm not allowed to be, literally.
Oh shit! This is where we need people to.
This way you need to improve your listening skills.
I know, right?
Your leadership skills.
Leadership's alright, it's just the knowing what the fuck's going on bit, yeah.
But listening as well.
I know. Tell me about it, it's story of my life. I think we got some ground there. Yeah. They can't hit us all, they run out of lives, come on, they can't.